everyone, welcome back to another at home with Amy. So I do have a few things that I want to do and I want to do them with you. I have the biggest mess in my room right now. This room downstairs is pretty much my beauty room, but at the same time it's like my office and everything all in one. So that's where I spend most of my time at during the day, whether I'm editing, filming, doing my makeup. I just did an unboxing yesterday, so I have a pile of boxes here that's driving me crazy. I have a few bins of PR that I opened yesterday. You guys remember that I showed this in a haul? They ended up sending me 3 items from the line, so now I have 2 body washes, but I know that I'm gonna go through these super fast, so I'm happy that I have backups. The last time I tried this deodorant, I didn't really have the best of luck. This is the Saltaire Coral Coast. It has 5% AHA and that usually burns my armpits so bad, but I'm gonna give it another try and maybe use it like once in a while, and hopefully it doesn't do that. I have a lot of organizing to do. I have a lot of editing to do. I have some sponsorships that I have to work on. So what I'm gonna start doing today is I'm gonna grab all of these boxes. I'm gonna break them down so that I can put them in the recycle bin. Then I have a quick little home haul, which I was supposed to have some items from Hobby Lobby that I got, which I guess I'll just film whenever they get here because they're taking forever to ship them. So I'm literally here just waiting on the cutest. I got the cutest things from Hobby Lobby, but I also have a few things that I ordered from Target for my kitchen and stuff because I hadn't bought kitchen things in a while and some of my kitchen things broke. Some of them are old, so I have been replacing some of those things. So I'm gonna show you some of the things that I got. As you can see, that little mess is just it needs to go. All right, so I mentioned that I got some kitchen stuff and I had been wanting to get, this is like a bakeware set, and I had been shopping around for them. And then one day I just went on the website and they were on sale from $90 something for a 3-piece. They were on sale for like 35 bucks. So I had a few things in my cart and I was just like, you know what, I'm gonna check out today because that is a good deal if the regular price was almost $100. So there is 3 sizes in here. We have this size. We have the square, which is one that I had similar to this one and it broke. One of the handles broke. A lot of times when we're grilling outside, we like to put everything in like these types of whatever these are. This is a huge one. I would probably only use this one during the holidays or something like that, or if I have like family coming over, because it's pretty big and it's heavy, so I try to use things that are not too heavy like this. But the other 2, I'm definitely gonna use them all the time. So I got this as well, and this one I want for like if I make a pasta or something or any type of dinner and we have leftovers and I could just put them in here. I'm gonna go ahead and put them in here and save them in here, or just for anything. I thought it was going to be a little smaller, but that's my fault for not reading. So it is kind of big. I kind of want it like one size down from this, but I can go ahead and get a smaller one soon. But this is a nice one to have. Oh, it says it right here. It's a 9x3. But I'm going to leave the links to these things if I find them. All right, so these are the last few things. So I got this bathroom mat for my bathroom downstairs. I have a lot of like black accents all over the house actually. So I like to add like this type of look. I like to add wood. I'm gonna start adding vases around the house. So all the Hobby Lobby stuff that I got, I'm so excited to show it to you guys. So hopefully I get it soon so that I can go ahead and add it to this. But yeah, I'm gonna be adding this to the bathroom downstairs along with some little wooden shelves that I got from Hobby Lobby. I'm going to be decorating them. So yeah, I got this one and I got a black one for the bathroom upstairs in our master bedroom. Now this I have been looking at every time that I went to Target for like, I don't know how long it's been out, but I would say like the last couple months. I would look at this and I was trying not to buy a lot of house things because I'm trying to kind of get back up to date with home decor and stuff and see what style I like and all of that. So I'm kind of taking my time and I'm not rushing. So I am starting to really like vases and being able to pick the flowers that I want to put in them. That sounds like so much fun, and it's so easier for me as a military wife when it's time to move to just put stems away, and then these are so much easier to take than just like those big flower arrangements. Tell me this is not beautiful. And they have a even bigger one, which I thought about getting the bigger one, but I was like, you know what, I think this size is perfect. I don't even know where I'm gonna put it yet in the house. I know I want it somewhere. It wasn't too bad. I think it was $19.99, so I don't think it was too bad. And then I also picked up this little set of oil and vinegar. I already had a black one, but I saw these and I don't know, I just really like the way that they look. So I'm gonna be adding these to the kitchen. So those are the things that I picked up from Target recently. I'm gonna go ahead and add the Hobby Lobby stuff as soon as I get them to this vlog. Hey guys, so today is Saturday, April something. So this month has been pretty much all about work, because it's funny when you do content creation, I feel like there's months where it's pretty quiet and then all of a sudden you have like 3-4 different things going on and it gets pretty crazy. So I have been doing a lot of work and I feel like this is the week where I'm kind of closing out a few things that I'm working on so that I can maybe get a few like slower days or like a slower month. I know the kids are about to be in summer vacation. Hubby got some good news yesterday and we had some drinks last night. He ordered some food from this steakhouse or something. When I tell you I had the best food last night, we had never tried it. We just ordered it. It was so freaking good. I had a great like in the house date last night. So now today I was doing some skincare and I already got all my stuff from Hobby Lobby. My hair needs to get washed. I already got all my stuff from Hobby Lobby that I was talking to you guys about. So for any of you guys who like home decor, this little section here is going to be for that, because that for me is so much fun. I used to do clean with me videos. I used to do vlogs like before I even started doing fragrance and beauty like the way that I do now. I used to love clean with me videos. They were so much fun for me to do and edit. We moved into this house and it's been so crazy and time has gone by so fast and I'm just like, I haven't really added like my touches to the house. So, and I don't want to do like too much at once because then I get overwhelmed. So I'm going to start off with the bathroom that I have downstairs. I want to put some shelves in there. I want to put some decor. So I'm going to show you all the stuff that I have because I literally have a box in the corner of this room filled with stuff because my husband also took vacation last week so that we could spend some time together. And then when the kids would go to school, we would go like have breakfast, work out, lunch, and we went to Hobby Lobby. He took me to Hobby Lobby. I told him that was a mistake, but I did pick up a few more things, so let me pick them. Okay, so I got some cutting boards because the ones that I have are looking pretty crazy, but look how cute these are. You guys, these cutting boards can be really pricey. So when I saw that Hobby Lobby had these, this bigger size is $16.99 and they're always having sales and stuff, so you can probably get it for even less. And then I also picked up a smaller one. This one was $13.99. Really nice if you're looking for new cutting boards. I've been wanting this style for forever, so I'm so excited. I also got some florals. So I got this type right here, which is super pretty, and this one is, it's 2016343, and I got these on sale. So regular price are $7.99, but the day that I got them, all the florals were 40% off. I have 4 of this style. Then we have 5 of these, and these are 2016467. I need new kitchen things, period. Like I need a new pot set. So I saw these and I think these are so pretty to put into a vase in the kitchen or a utensil holder. They're so pretty. And then I also picked up a regular black cutting board. This one was $9.99. I could even use it to do like something on top of it. I didn't even know what I was picking this up for. I just knew that I like to have black in my kitchen as well and in my home. Then when I went with my husband the other day, we just picked up this random water bottle because I use those to do my girl's hair. Then I saw this, so I thought this would be really nice to put a candle on it. So this one was $7.99. Okay, so then I saw this and I had to get it because we have little inside jokes about lemons ever since me and my husband got together. So when I saw this is the perfect little artwork for the kitchen, and I thought the little frame was really nice. And this was $19.99, but it was 40% off, I think. I also got this really cute one. I think this one's gonna go inside the bathroom, so I picked this one up. This one was $8.99. Okay, so I got some shelves. They look like this. This one was $7.99 for one. Okay, then I got this cute little vase, or I don't know what these things are called, but I got this because I was thinking one of those little florals, like the baby's breath, can go inside of here. Ooh, pineapple. My favorite. Ooh, this one's pretty. Okay, look at this. I don't know where this is going either, but this is so beautiful. So then I picked up these clear containers that we're gonna put in the bathroom also, so that I can have more products in the bathroom. They look like this. I just got clear ones, and then you can slide them off to wash them so they don't get nasty. We also have this one.
That looks so pretty and cute. I would like that in my room.
You want one for your room?
Yeah.
And then this is to organize underneath the bathroom sink because I have to take everything out of there and I'm gonna put new organization and stuff. So we have everything that we need to get my bathroom done. So that's gonna be the next thing that I do. I wanted to film this. I haven't even had coffee right now. I have a headache. So yeah, I'm hungry and I need coffee. Go ahead, have fun.
I can make a bubble. I can put all the bubble wrap all over as much bubble wrap as I can, all over my room, and then I can do stuff and then bounce all over it.
Oh,
and then I can put my leg go like this.